I almost stepped over my camera, but the camera was lucky. I didn't step on it, but it was very close. I have been thinking to go for a morning run, so here I am today near the Sylhet International Stadium. After ages, I'm running in the morning. This is really early morning and it is great for morning run. The best thing you can have in the morning, the morning run. It is the best medicine for the whole days. Many of you knows this place, and this place is surrounded by tea garden. It is really a perfect place for morning run. I can't remember when the last time I ran in the morning. I'm lucky to be alive in this morning. You can hear the natural abbreviations, which is really amazing to hear. I appreciate all of the support you have been giving me, and which is tremendous. If you don't subscribe my channel yet, please subscribe to my channel. If you guys like the video, please subscribe to my channel for more awesome travel videos. The vlog is done today.